Hello, this is a Royal Navy application, version 1.2, unofficial of course. This is a close button, nuke the program so it will close. It's split up into 7 elements, the first being a calendar, the second being the emblem, the third being a naval signal flags demo, the fourth a rescue helicopter, the fifth Amiga Speedmaster time, the sixth Royal Navy Morse code, and Royal Navy naval signal flags. If we start at the beginning with the calendar, if we hover over SOS, we'll see that we have all the options for the keystrokes. So left, right buttons advance the months, and up and down buttons the year. And if we hover over today or click on today, it goes to today's date, which is correct. There's many more things we can do on this page. For instance, we can play with the weather and we can play with the sea. So let's start with the weather. Clear skies, partly cloudy, cloudy, overcast, foggy, light rain, rain, we'll skip thunderstorm and come back to that. Light snow, snow, blizzard, sandstorm calm, and a sandstorm heavy. Can be incremented in hours plus up to midnight, and then back to midnight the previous night. And the sky moves. There will be a real-time option for this sky to be updated. That will be later. And then we can also play with wind speeds. So if we just go max, okay, and then we have also the wind direction, and zero that back out, and then we could do the fetch length as well. So if we do it in incremental steps, 300, 500, 750. I'm guessing this is meters, so 7.5 meters, 10 meters, 1500 meters. Oh, sorry, 15 meters. And if we reset this to calm seas, also, although it isn't ready in SOS at the moment, there will be another section for effects that can be applied if required, and these are all done on keystrokes, so you won't see these, but if I read aloud, control and 0, or go to the previous one. Alt and 0 will go to the next one. So your left hand, Control and Alt. They're the ones. So let's quickly go through a few. We're going to go to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And there's 207 effects that can be placed. These are LUTs, which stand for lookup tables, color lookup tables. So you can get any effect that you would like, which are basically filters. So if we go back, if you can reset by just pressing 0, and if we press tab, we'll take off the UI for the weather and the wind speed. Okay, the next set of effects are overlays. So it's a visual overlay. Some of these are quite crazy. So again, Control and Alt, which will allow you to select Control and Alt with the number key period. Just scrolling through. So lots of effects that can be applied. These effects will be applied to all of the 7 sub-programs. There are many more enhancements to make to this program. If anyone would like to leave in the comments anything they would think which would be quite cool to add, I will add. Please let me know. Okay. I believe that's all the options. Okay, yeah, that was all the options. Also, there's other effects which you can use via your, I think it's Alt, left key, stroke, or maybe Shift. No, it's not. Control, no. Control and Alt. Yeah, Control and Alt. You press Control and Alt, which will be written in the SOS, to give different effects. Further effects, should I say. Not all of them are cool, but some of them are cool. Some of them will have to be changed, obviously. It's one of my favourites. Okay. Wavy Navy. Okay, that concludes the calendar, I believe. Okay, so if we now go to main menu, and the next one is the emblem. Again, with all the same features: weather, time of day, SOS, just escape the application, or backspace. Again, we can change the weather as we please, and also, as before, we've got all the colour lookup tables, we've got all the screen overlays, and we have all the different effects that we can apply, artistic effects. So, if we go back and then go to the Royal Navy signal flag demo, hover over SOS, the spacebar toggles on and off the naval signal flags demo. Okay. Okay, that's all there is. It will carry on repeating until you press the space bar again. So let's go back to the main menu and now go for the rescue helicopter. Nothing exciting at the moment, maybe in the future. Again, leaving comments if you'd like to see anything different. So spacebar to toggle on and off the rotor blades. Nothing exciting, not flying at the moment, but may do that. Okay, stop, spacebar. Amiga Speedmaster time. This needs the lighting attended to because it should actually be metallic and it looks quite plasticky, I think. So that needs to be updated. However, it's fully functional timepiece. Whatever your system time is, it will represent on the hands on the watch itself. I guess it should be the Amiga Seamaster. However, I haven't got that model, and maybe I will put that one into if I manage to get hold of one and mess with the hands and the second hands and go to it'll take time, should we say. Okay, we can start top button the stopwatch, and we can stop the stopwatch, and we can reset the stopwatch. Something quirky on the winder, just says yo dude. Yo dude. Okay, main menu. Hover over the Morse code. A bit of a whiting, I guess. But anyway, all the Morse code is there, and SOS, mouse cursor over blue buttons to reveal associated Morse code and flag details. Okay, so if we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all the signal flags do, naval signal flags do change, except for the punctuation, because there are no naval signal flags for punctuation. But it's an ideal learning point if anyone likes to learn Morse code. So the alphabet goes through all the naval signal flags, A to Z, and plays the Morse code. Going back to main menu, last option, option 7, is the naval signal flags. Again, the lighting needs to desperately be updated, and also the weather systems added, which can be done in the future, or will be done in the future. Okay, this mouse cursor over top 3 row flags to reveal associated flag details. So again, as before, without the Morse code though, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A to M, A going all the way through to M. We have all the naval signal flags, so if anyone would like to learn this naval signal flags, they can with this application. This grabbed my eye when I went to Portsmouth Naval Docks, and I didn't know about the naval signal flag system, but it did blow me away. It was on the what boat was it? Oh, sorry, ship, should I say? It was a still one. For the life of me, I can't remember. But the first time I saw it, it was for a wedding, and they were all laid out in small flags across the deck of the ship. And I looked it up, and I found out it was a communication system, which is amazing. Fair play, Royal Navy. Okay, that is the application as it stands at version 1.2. As stated, if anyone would like to see some further enhancements to it, please leave your ideas in the comments and I will get round to it. Anyway, I hope you like what you saw. Again, please like if you did. All the best and have a lovely day.